My name is Paris. As promised, I will be unbagging my Into the AM graphic joggers. Now these are the mystery joggers, so I'm not quite sure what they gave me, but I'm pretty psyched about what'll be in it. Alright, enough talking. Let's get into it. These are nice. Whoa, okay. So what you get here, I have the Join the T-Shirt Free Club, which I'm already part of the T-Shirt Club. And the size joggers I got was a large. Oh, these are pretty vibrant. Look at these colors. Look at it. It's so soft. Oh, I like it. I like it already. Into the AM. You outdid yourself. Okay. So, yeah, it's kind of like a watery, like, ocean vibe. I'm feeling that vibe. Okay. Yeah, so there it is. Has got the drawstring right here, so you can adjust it. Yeah, so what I noticed is if they have when you receive the joggers with the all over print, they don't have back pockets, but the ones without the all over print, they like have a side print, because I know I have the roses. I'll show you a picture of them. I'll insert them probably here, which to me is epic. I love roses. So there's a rose print, and then on the rest of the pant is black, a satin type. I'll tell you what it's exactly made of, but it feels like satin. It is soft on the outside, and in the inside it is extremely warm. When I tell you, I could literally go outside in the winter and it is just so warm, but it's not like too hot where in the spring you can't wear it. But they have this little cuffing on the bottom. Yeah, I really like this. It's some vibrant colors. Yeah, so and just to let you know, the inside of this is the same color, so in case you wanted to flip it over, you can. Some people like that, so if you're interested in that, you can flip it over. Thank you all for watching. I will link you to the site for Into the AM if you are interested in buying anything from them. I'll see you in the next one.